guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. So today's reading will be, should you wait or move on? Okay, so this will be today's reading. So whoever is tired of waiting and you don't know what to do, if you are confused, if you are feeling low, then this reading is for you. You can decide whether you should stay or move on. But always remember that this is general reading. It may or may not resonate with everybody. So please keep that in mind. So as usual, we have 3 piles here. First one is this Indian doll. And second one is this cute baby. Then third one is the dancing doll. Okay. So you can choose any one of them. You can choose them intuitively. If you need more time, you can pause the video and you can select the pile. If you want, you can meditate on the pile also. Okay. Before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers, subscribers, and if you want personal reading, you can check the details given below. And also if you want any different kind of reading, you can post it in the comment box. If my reading resonates, please comment, because I want to know, I would like to know your experiences, views and all. Then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell symbol to know more details about my upcoming videos. That's all. Yes. Then we will move ahead with the reading. Should you wait or move on? This reading is for everybody. Maybe for singles or couples or anybody. Okay. So this reading is for everyone. Whoever needs this reading, they can see. Okay. So let's start. So we will go with pile number 1. This Indian doll. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Raphael, please give us some guidance, please give us some clarity. Should they wait? Whoever chose pile number 1, should you wait or move on? 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 Okay, let's see the cards. Let me arrange the cards. Okay, so I can see here strongly that you are dealing with a Sagittarius person. Your person might be Sagittarius, or your person might be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Cancer. Your person might be Cancer, or Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I can see all these signs here. Yes. Okay, so bottom of the deck, this one, this is 7 of Cups. Okay, your person might be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces also. Cancer is already here, this is a Chariot card. Then we have Sagittarius here, we have Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Then we have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, we have all the signs. I can see here that this person, whomever you are dealing with, is quite passionate and he is into page energy. That means player, flirt. Okay, this person is in like immature energy, but this person is waiting, actually waiting for you, or waiting for the communication, or waiting for any message. Okay, pages means it is communication, or this person is very attractive, young, smart, fair, and very like attractive person to anybody, but this person is into passion. Okay, this person is not having any maturity, and he's into physical attraction. Then he's not in a very serious mood right now, like he's not in a position of serious commitment or serious relation. So this person feels like, okay, this is we are friends, hi, bye, flirting, then sextings and all. So this person is quite happy with all those things. But when it comes to commitment, this person will walk away or ghost you, or he has already ghosted you. So that's the reason there is no communication, no contact between you both. Okay. So this person is like, he likes to talk to you, he likes to like flirt with you, he's actually waiting for your call or text or message. But this person is not having any good intentions right now. Good in the sense, not for commitment, not for marriage. And I can clearly see that this person is juggling with two people, because we are doing this reading. So they like, should you wait or move on? I can see that this person is dealing with two things, maybe two people, or job and love connection, or karmic partner and you. So it can be anything. Then this person is like maybe age wise this person is okay, I mean not very young, 30 plus, I can say that. But this person is a very strong person, very aggressive, then very defensive also. With this swords card I can see that. And this person is sitting strongly on his throne, very powerful person. And this person, for some people, okay, not for all of you, some people, this person is divorced also. Okay, this person might be divorced. So right now he's single, and he's searching for many options. We can see here Seven of Cups is there. So Seven of Cups means he has lot of options, lot of people in his life. So that's the reason this person is not able to take any decision. He's confused, he or she. So this person is like stand still right now. Actually, he's not moving at all. He's sitting in on his throne, and strongly he's sitting there. He's not moving at all. Then this temperance card is a very positive card. So that means the universe is guiding him to move to a quieter, calmer place. And universe is telling this person that you should take a move, you should take some action, you should because this connection is good for you. Some signals or synchronicities, something is happening in this person's life, that universe is telling him to move. And also it says that he needs some balance in his life. Actually, maybe this person is like having lot of addictions. Maybe it is like drinking alcohol, then maybe flirting, playing, then sex and all. So this person is having lot of imbalance in his life. He should get the balance in his life, then only he can come towards you. But I can feel that this will take lot of time. And this, because this person is still in that player energy only, this person is having lot of options, then this person is not able to move actually. So the Chariot card also says that there will be some movement. And Chariot also says that you have to concentrate on yourself right now. Okay. And it says that maybe you are forcing something. Okay. Maybe you are forcing this person to take some action, or you are forcing this relationship onto that person, where that person is not ready to take anything from you. He is right now into player energy. He has many options. He is ready to like search for different things, different people. Okay, so he is not ready for any kind of commitment, any kind of marriage or relationship. This person is not open for anything. Okay, so let's take some clarifier. Should they wait or move on? Should they wait or move on? Okay, again, Knight of Swords. again swords card came. That means aggressive movement. Okay, this person will be moving passionately towards you, want to actually, but this is not related to any connection or commitment or anything like that. Okay, so this person want to move ahead, he wants to come, but he is not able to decide. Knight of Swords means definitely this person will communicate, will come towards you, but it's in your hands now whether you want to take this person into your life or not, because his energy is not stable energy, his energy is not very good. This Knight of Swords also says that he will come very very fast towards you with a lot of aggressiveness. Maybe something happened between you, maybe he ghosted or you ghosted, or he blocked or you blocked, something happened. So this person want to clarify everything and give the clarity, okay, now to how to proceed ahead, how to move ahead. So this person is coming to make you understand. He is asking you to understand his way of thinking, his way of approaching. So this person is not ready to give up his player energy. Okay, he says that okay, I want that person also, I want you also, and he wants to put his point of view in front of you. He's coming for that. Maybe this person might come in this month only, in the month of July. Okay, because swords energy, it means like it is days. Okay, so it's very fast moving energy. This person wants to come towards you very fast, coming in the sense maybe the text or a message or a call, but this person will not change. Okay, he doesn't want to change actually his ways. Okay, so he want to come towards you, he want to clarify, he want to say that I am like this, I want everybody, I can't change my attitude or behavior, so I'm a global person, I can't commit to anybody. Okay, this kind of an energy. So now it is up to you whether you want to wait or move on, because definitely this person will come to your life again. So this person will call you, will text you, but the thing is his behavior and attitude will be the same, he will not change. So it's up to you, okay, whether to take him back or not, that is up to you. Let's see one guidance card. Let's pull one guidance card. Universe, please give some guidance. What to do? Should this file number 1 stay or move on? Should this file number 1 stay or move on? Okay, again, Hanged Man and the Tower. So definitely something happened between you. Maybe you caught them red-handed with doing something with somebody, or so you maybe you came to know about this person, all his past or all his whatever he's doing. So that is the reason Tower moment happened in your life, and you both are not communication, no talking, nothing, because you maybe blocked him because you know this person's mentality, so you blocked. So now things are hanged. Hanged means almost dead. Okay, so the feelings are almost dead from both of you, but this person want to come and clarify what is happening, he want to tell the truth. Okay, but I don't think you should wait, in my opinion, but it's up to you. I mean, every case is different, this is general reading, so it's up to you whether you want to invite this person into your life or not, because the Tower says that it is unexpectedly, abruptly ended, this connection. Now it is a Hanged Man. Hanged Man is always no card. Okay, always. The Tower also no card, Hanged Man also no card. So now it's up to you, it's in your hand whether you want to wait for this person or not. Okay, that's all I have for you, friends. And let's see the messages from this person. Maybe this person he has some good feelings for you. Maybe he is hiding feelings, he is in love with you, but he is not willing to give you commitment. That's the thing. Okay, maybe this person is in love with you. Even Chariot card, sometimes it says also that this person is not opening up, this person is hiding all the feelings. And universe also is saying that you have to concentrate on yourself right now, so stop moving in this energy. Okay, thank you for the warm feelings that you gave. Okay, so he's saying that thank you. Maybe your love might be pure, and you might have given him a lot of affection and love. So the all the feelings he's saying thank you. So maybe this person will come and he will say that okay, I'm sorry, I can't do in this situation. Okay, so but it is up to you whether you will take him back or not. There is so much I want to say to you. I told you. So this person want to say whatever is happened, whatever misunderstanding, whatever tower moment happened between you, this person want to say all those things to you and clarify why this happened, what happened. Okay, now I know I messed up everything. This person knows that he messed up everything, but now I don't know whether this will happen or not. It is entirely in your hand now. Whether you know your person better than me. So you should think, you should decide. Because I can feel that this person is also divorced. So you should really think and check his past. Okay? So for some of you, this person might be a divorced person. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Pile number one. Hope it gave you some clarity in some way. If you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And share with your friends also. And press bell symbol to know more details about my next readings. Okay, that's all. Thank you, pile number one. Now let's move on to pile number two. This doll. Okay, whoever chose this doll, this reading is for them. Okay, let's see whether you should stay in this connection or move on. Should you wait or move on? Pile number two. Should you wait or move on? 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 Okay, Tower, Page of Cups, Four of Cups, should you wait or move on? Should you wait or move on? Should you wait or move on? Okay, these are all the cards I have for you. Let's see what your person thinking and feeling. I can see here that you might be dealing with Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and you might be dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and you might be dealing with fixed signs like Taurus, Scorpio, then Leo, Aquarius. You might be dealing with any one of the sign. Take it as resonated, friends. And bottom of the deck we have Queen of Pentacles. Okay, let's see your reading. Okay, should you wait or move on? What is happening in this connection? Okay, there is a tower moment happened in your life already in this connection. So now you both had a very drastic and painful ending, and which was unexpected. You both didn't expect that this ending will happen. Okay, so that is really very much unexpected. So you both are now in a shock, trauma, pain, then a lot of sadness, sleepless nights. Then this person, after that also, you both are not talking to each other, no communication. You both are staying separate, and I can see that this is there is a third party also in this. I can feel with the Three of Wands, but this person is holding on tightly to this connection, and I can see that the universe is offering this cup of love, but this person is thinking about somebody else, and he is feeling that why this happened. He is very into this deep pain energy. So maybe 4 is very prominent for you, number 3 is prominent, or 16 is prominent for you, maybe your birthday or his birthday, or these months might be prominent, maybe March and April might be very prominent for you. Okay, So this person is still thinking about the pain only. Universe is saying that you can take this cup of love and move ahead. Okay, so this person is still in deep contemplation, like why this had happened, why this tower moment happened, how can I fix it. And he's feeling depressed and very much in a sad energy. So this person is deeply thinking why, where I went wrong, what I did. So he's replaying all your records, all your maybe chats, or all your messages. This person is checking and feeling, thinking what is happening. Okay, so now page of cups. This person definitely have lot of feelings for you, lot of love feelings for you, and he has lot of emotions for you. This person is in love, but he is in a page energy. That means he is not ready for any commitment. Pages means they are young energy, immature energy. So this person is still in that page energy only. This person is not ready to for any commitment, but this person is having lot of love for you, lot of emotions, lot of feelings for you, and this person is very attracted towards you. And this person is waiting, sad. Maybe this person is waiting for your messages or texts, because you both are not talking to each other. So this person definitely is waiting for your call or text or anything, any kind of a sign. But definitely this person is having a thought that you both will get married. And this is twin flame 1111, that means twin flame card. So definitely your connection is divinely guided, and you both are twin flames. And actually this is a marriage card. Four of wands means a marriage card. So definitely this marriage is there in your cards. Okay, in your future this marriage is there. Queen of Pentacles also, it says that you might be for some of you, I'm telling, okay, you might be a divorced person, or you might be a single mother or a father, because Queen of Pentacles means it is a feminine energy who is a very stable life, rich. And this person is very stable. Then lot of, I mean, independent, I can say that. So you might be independent person, or this person might be independent and a divorced person. So that is also might be one obstacle. Maybe this person didn't tell you that he is a divorced person, and maybe because of that this tower moment happened. So everything relate as it resonates with you. But definitely there is a marriage for you. And I feel that you should wait for this person to come, because the reunion is near, I can say that, because of the marriage card also, because of the waiting card, three of wands also, and page of cups also. This person want to communicate to you before offering the marriage. He want to communicate, he want to express his feelings towards you, because right now I can feel that this person didn't express anything to you, like that he loves you or not. This person didn't express anything to you. So now this person want to come towards you, and he wants to express his feelings, and then he wants to offer the marriage. Okay, so let's take one more card. Why this tower moment and four of cups cards came? Why this tower and four of cups card came? Please give some clarifier. Why this came? What is this person actually feeling and thinking? Okay, so nine of cups. As I told, your union is very near. Nine means it is almost complete, and this you are ready for the fulfillment. Okay, completion. You are ready for the completion. Okay, this person is ready for the completion and come towards you. The union is very near. I can feel that this person might come towards you in the month of September. Number 9 might be prominent for you. So this person is very much single now. He is enjoying his bachelor life, and this person is separated from the third party. Now he is concentrating on himself and his health, figure, finance, everything. So cups means it is a lot of emotions. So he is working on his emotions. He is healing from the past wounds, maybe past relationships or past connections. This person is healing from them. Okay, so definitely this person will come towards you and he will offer the marriage to you, because four of wands is a marriage card, and this is a almost completion card. Okay, this is next to 9, it is 10. 10 means completion. So your connection will be completed when? After marriage. So that definitely this person will come towards you, and this person is having a lot of feelings towards you, positive feelings actually. So this person might be far from you, and this person might be divorced person. So this person is right now very much single. He is not related in relationship with anybody. Okay, so let's see what guidance the universe want to give you. What is the guidance for pile number 2? Okay, the Chariot. The Chariot also says the movement, and also it says that concentrate on yourself right now. As this person is concentrating on himself, he is thinking about himself. So you also concentrate on yourself. Don't force things to happen. It will happen in the right moment, divine timing. So you have to wait patiently for that. If you need, you have to work on your healing, your physique, your health, your finance, everything. You have to concentrate on yourself. So this person also felt like you are forcing the things on this person. So don't do that. Don't chase them. Leave them. Okay. Leave them freely, so that they will come back. That is the victory, right? That is the victory card, right? So you have to get the victory. This person should come to you and offer the marriage, not you chasing them. Okay, meanwhile you are not able to suffer this pain or feeling anxious and all. You can meditate, you can go to temples or meditate and pray God. Okay, you divert yourself. Maybe you go to, now this corona is there, but go do some exercise, concentrate on your physique, then your health, eat healthy diet, then do all the beauty tips if you are a female, and concentrate on yourself right now. Okay, so Chariot, there is a movement. Definitely there is a movement in this connection. This person will come back to you, so you have to wait. You can wait. Definitely I can strongly say that you can wait for this person, because marriage is there in your cards. Definitely this person will come to you, offer his love and marry you. Okay, congratulations, pile number 2. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. Then press the bell symbol for more notifications. Then I will move to, and I forgot to take the messages from your person. Sorry, friends. Okay, pile number 2. Let's take the messages from your person. I look for you everywhere. Okay, maybe you both might have gone to many places. So this person is missing all the places, and he's missing, and he's looking for you everywhere. So he's saying, wishing you were with me right now. So he's missing you every moment. This person is saying that I wish you could be there with me right now. So he's missing you every moment. I didn't know how to fix this. I mean, this person did something in the past. So he's saying that I don't know how to fix this. Maybe that is the reason you both are not talking to each other. Both are not in communication, because this person is not aware like what to do, how to come towards you. Maybe he's afraid. He is maybe he is confused how to get it done correctly, properly. Okay, I feel like I will pull one more card for this pile. See, one I said, 2 came. I miss you every moment of my life. I told you. So wherever he goes, whomever he sees, he'll miss you, and he's missing you, and he's looking for you in others actually. So maybe you are reminded, or universe is reminding him about you. I was too much in my head. So when you both were in talking terms, maybe this person ignored you. He didn't tell you how he feels. Okay, how he or she feels. So he is telling, I was too much in my head. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 2. Let's move on to pile number 3. So whoever chose this dancing doll, this reading is for them. Let's see. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Raphael, Please give us some guidance. Please give us some clarity. What is happening for pile number 3? Should they wait or move on? 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 One good card, one clear card. Should they wait or move on for this person? Pile number 3. Should they wait or move on? Should they wait or move on? Okay, Queen of Swords. Okay, so here I can see this person is having lot of love towards you. First of all, I would like to say the signs. Okay, so you might be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, I can see Aquarius, Libra, Gemini also. Okay, so this person is like having lot of love towards you. It is not a passion, actually this is a pure love. This person loves you because he wants to come towards you with the offer of love. Page Cups card, but he is very, very slow moving. So this person is like in a hanged man position. So this person is not able to move. He's stuck actually. This person is not able to come towards you. You both are not in talking terms, that I can see. Then this person is actually fighting with his own feelings, his own things. Okay, this person is very much defensive and fearful. Maybe he feels that this relationship can never come to union, because this person is having lot of feelings and love for you, but this person maybe there is a caste difference, religion difference, or there may be some culture difference. So this person is fighting, battling, and this person is very much restless actually right now. And this person is also very painful situation, because this 5 of cups, he is not looking at the two cups are standing. He is only feeling painful towards the cups that are fallen down. Okay, there are 2 cups already standing and they are full, but this person is thinking very sad, lonely. This person is feeling very lonely, and he's mourning, like he's remembering you, he's thinking about you, and he's feeling very painful actually. Then this person is into Queen of Swords energy. So this person is very strong, and this person want to come towards you aggressively, and he wants to clear all the things, all the doubts that you have, all the problems that you have. And also I feel that this person is a single mom or single dad. I can see the child picture also in this, and this person might be divorced. Okay, so this person is waiting actually when to come towards you, when to come, and when to express this person's feelings. Actually this person is having lot of feelings towards you with Knight of Cups. He wants this Knight of Cups is action card, so this person want to come towards you, but it is slow moving. It is not very fast, because he is not able to decide himself. Okay, what to do. This person is not able to decide himself, so he's not sure whether to come towards you or not, when to come towards you. Okay, so this person is battling to himself and his feelings. He's not battling with anybody else, but he's thinking in himself only. Maybe as I told you, there is a caste problem, or some differences are there. Maybe your parents are not willing, they are not accepting. So this person is thinking in all ways what to do, how to do. So again, Queen of Cups. Okay, so Queen of Swords is there, then Queen of Cups is there. Definitely I can see that this person is a single mom or a single dad. Okay, so this person is having children also. That is the reason this person is not able to take any action towards you right now. But I feel you should wait, because cups is there strongly. Knight of Cups, Queen of Cups, and all. Cups energy means lot of feelings, lot of emotions, but it will take time. So it is up to you to decide whether you will wait or not, because this cups is a slow moving energy, and this person also need to see everything like child custody, because children are involved. I can see two people here in his life. Okay, two queens in his life. That is a male. So that means he need to see both, right? One he should cut off, so other one he should be with. So this person is in battling himself, like why, what should I do now? Okay, let's ask for a guidance card from the universe. Let's get one guidance card. That is the reason maybe he is going under divorce or something. That's why he is in a hanged man position, stuck. Let's get one guidance card from universe. Okay, the magician. So universe is saying that you are the magician and you have all the capacity to manifest this connection, as this person is having lot of emotions for you, lot of feelings for you, lot of love for you. You can manifest. Maybe you can do the meditation, or you can do some law of attraction manifestation. So you are the magician. You know how to better your life. Okay, so everything is in your hand. Maybe you will wait for this person, or but there is a potential in this connection. So I feel that you should wait for this person. And because the card also came very positive card, magician card, so definitely there is a strong potential of growth in this relationship, and this person want to take action also. This person want to come and offer you his cup of love. Okay, so definitely I feel that you should wait for this person. And let's see the messages from this person. Let's see. What is this person thinking and feeling about you? We will see. This person feels that I have thought of taking a trip with you. So this person want to come and he want to take you a trip, and this person want to have a heart-to-heart conversation. Maybe this person is far away from you, so this person want to come towards you and have a trip with you, and he can talk to you personally. I want to reach out, but I'm afraid. As I told you, this person is already married and he has children. So this person is now feeling bad, like afraid. He want to reach out to you. He want to call. He want to communicate, but this person is afraid what will happen. Okay. So I was too much in my head. So this person says that I was too much in my head, because he was not clear in his mind what to do, whom to choose, because he has karmic partner also. He's a mother or father of children also. So this person is thinking too much in his head. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 3. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Then share with your friends, and press the bell symbol to more notifications. See you next time with another reading. Until then, bye.